I am a big fan of Lucidchart and graph databases. In particular, I really like the Neo4j graph database. But I cannot get Lucidchart or graph databases to work together. There are many examples of pulling regular entity relationship diagram from a database into Lucidchart, but that does not help with the graph database scenario. I am looking for something that will let me import graph-like data into Lucidchart. Neo4j is the most popular graph database out there. They use a movie actor database for many of their training examples. In this example, we run a recommendation query. Find the actors that have worked with both Tom Hanks and Tom Cruise that can introduce them to the other Tom. Using the Neo4j browser, I can see a resulting visualization. It tells me that neither of the Toms have been co-actors with each other, but it does show that Meg Ryan, Kevin Bacon, and Bonnie Hunt are co-actors that could introduce the two Toms to each other. There are also other third-party visualization vendors that can import this data. I would like to import this visualization into Lucidchart, and I have not found a way to do it. That is my feature request. I have some ideas for a generic graph nodes relationships import process. Common graph terminology refers to nodes and relationships. Relationships are sometimes also referred to as edges. I can create a report that shows each node's unique system ID, its type, and corresponding property data. Then, I can create a relationship report that describes each unique relationship ID, its type, its start node and end node internal IDs, as well as any data properties associated with that relationship. Alternatively, if you don't want to create your own graph description language, I recommend that you look at the .graph description language. So Lucidchart, my request is, could you please provide some way to import complex node edge graphs and their properties into Lucidchart? You have a great product, and I see a lot of innovation, and I think this would be a great step forward in your product roadmap. Thank you.